You should just take it.
exactly.
Rats?
No. I take this.
AI robots.
I take this. I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah, I don't have the whole, like, it's being afraid of whether or not they're going to fucking take over the world. I think that's the main thing here.
Yeah.
And if they do, they do. If they don't, they don't.
That's kind of how I feel about it too. There's nothing much to do about it, you know? It's just like, if it happens. I mean, okay, actually, quick side tangent. They did release that robot recently you can buy for like 20,000. Did you see that?
For what?
You can buy your own household robot.
Oh, yeah, I did see that.
But it's like a huge fucking scam.
It is because it's not good.
No, it's not AI controlled. It is VR controlled.
Oh.
Like everything in that demo was VR controlled except like two things. It was like opened the door automatically or AI whatever, and then like put away the dishes. So like you could give it your cup and it would go put it in the kitchen. That's the only two AI
and
things.
then 1 out of 10 times it dropped the fucking thing anyway.
But that's it's very funny because in the video they very strategically give it like a paper cup. and it's so, dude.